Um, so guys, move. So the rest is to like follow Jesus' steps, and it's gonna be super perfect. Now, then the second thing I want to tell us about is that sales channel. You can add more sales channels. I mean, what you want your store to have on it. So I have added buy button. So here is it. So here is the buy button. So yeah, you can create a buy button on your products or collections. So since I already have a product, so I'm going to click on it. So I select. So buy type is made as one of so you mark as available here. So here is the products. So add to cart. So as you can see, it's available for buying. Um, it's available to buy. So you see. So next. So after copying this, then you take it to WordPress and then get it implemented. It's super easy. So the remaining things are really simple things you can actually do. So you follow this simple step. It's as simple as you setting up a landing page. So because of time consumed and rest, so this is what I'm going to draw the curtains. So I think if there are any questions, then you can bring it to me personally while we are treating. So thanks a lot.